Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing us from Group State of the State Finance course with the supervisor Mr. Rizky Shafir, SHIMSI. We will present the result of our discussion with them, the process of approving or determining the budget at the regional government level. Well, before starting the presentation of the result of our discussion, let me introduce Lutfara Nabila as the moderator and the next member, Febrina Dwi Daniati and Juliana Pitasari and Melissa Udina Putri. For introduction that will be delivered by Melissa, to Melissa you are welcome.
Okay, I will read introduce material. Introduction. What is a budget? A budget is something that can support the smooth running of any activity that has been planned and is being implemented. So, why is budget important? So, if there is no financial support to the preparation of the budget, there will be obstacles that reduce the effectiveness of the activity. The budget is so important in the sustainability of regional autonomy, which can increase the level of regional welfare and create a sense of trust from the community in the work of the government in providing service and crime or the preparation properly. Next, what is APBD? Regional Preference and Expenditure Budget. APBD is a form of regional policy product. The APBD is the main instrument in regional financial management that reflects the regional government revenue and expenditure plan is one budget year. The process of preparing and ratifying the APBD involves various stages and actors, including the executive, regional government, and legislative. Meanwhile, according to the frame, APBD is explained as follows. 1. Budget. In English, a budget is called an estimate, which means the amount of that have been planned and determined. 2. Income. In English, income is called revenue, which means the amount of used to pay for various kinds of net expenses. 3. Shopping. Another term for shopping in this case is government expenditure, where these main government activities that cause expenditure. 4. A form of organi- a form of organization that inhabit a region and has a legal entity so that a autonomy system is created in running regional government. So, the extent of the regional revenue and expenditure budget APBD play a significant role in determining The strategy for achieving the goal of regional autonomy as a listener and servant for community aspiration. In afterward, the APBD can also be looked as a direction of activity its goal as a medium for connecting the voice of the community between legislative and executive institutions. What is the function of APBD? The APBD has three functions of follow. One, one is spending allocation to procure needed good or service. Two, to be a way to prevent public inequality in community life. Three, balancing enacted circumstances in government work affair in if the HR. The process of drafting and determining the regional budget. The process of determining the APBD goes through the following stages. 1. Submit and discussion of draft regional regulation APBD. According to the provision of Article 104 of Permendagri number 13 of 2006, the draft regional regulation, along with its enactment that are been prepared and socialized to the public to then be submitted by the regional head to the DPRD no later than the week of October of the previous fiscal year. From the planned fiscal year to obtain joint approval. This joint decision making must have been implemented no later than 1 month before the relevant fiscal year begins. Next, based on the mutual agreement, the regional head prepared a draft regional head regulation on APBD which must be accompanied by a financial note. The draft regional regulation on the APBD includes this. Among other things, the agreed spending plan. This draft regional regulation on the APBD can only be implemented by the district city government after receiving approval from the relevant governor. Furthermore, according to Article 1008, paragraph 1 of the Minister of Affairs Regulation number 13 of 2006. Effect 30 days after the submission of the draft regional regulation on the APBD, the governor did not approve the draft regulation, then the regional has the right to stipulate the draft regional regulation as a regional head regulation. Evaluation of the draft regional regulation on the regional budget and draft regional head regulation on the act plans of the regional budget. 1. The approved draft regional budget regulation for district city government and the draft regional head regulation. 1. The elaboration of the regional budget before being stipulated by the region must be submitted to the governor for evaluation within a maximum of 3 working days. 2. This evaluation aims to harmony between regional policies and national policies. Harmony between public interest and the interest of the apparatus. And to examine the extent to which the district city APBD does not conflict with the public interest, like here regulation and or other regional regulation. 3. This evaluation aims to achieve harmony between regional police and national police, harmony between public interest and the interest of the apparatus, and to examine the extent to which the direct city APBD does not conflict with the public interest, like her regulation and her other regional regulation. The final step is to determine the draft regional regulation and the APBD and the draft regional head regulation. When the elaboration of the APBD that has been evaluated to become a regional regulation, when the APBD when a regional head regulation on the elaboration of the APBD no later than December 1 of the previous budget year. After that, the regional regulation as regional head regulation on the elaboration of the APBD are submitted by one region made to the relevant governor no later than 7 working days after the date of tabulation. Editor in the Today moderator.
Good thanks to Melissa. The next material is relevant in the process of determining the PBD and agency theory and public choice theory will be covered by Julia. To Julia, you are welcome.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Here I will explain the material about the APBN or APBD is always designed to be in deficit, thus providing opportunities for inefficiency and corrupt practice. The root of the budget problem in Indonesia. Both the APBN and APBD, according to Ahmad Erani Yustik, Executive Director of the Institute for Development of Economic and Finance, is 1. The APBN or APBD is always designed to be in deficit, thus providing opportunities for inefficiency and corrupt practices. 2. The design of APBN or APBD is only understood as a technocratic process to allocate economic research, but the APBN is not also understood as an ideological instrument to bring the goals of the state closer as mandated by the Constitution. 3. The macroeconomic assumptions that are formulated are only based on narrow objectives but ignore the spirit of social justice such as aspects of income inequality. 4. The amount of the budget does not reflect the problem and basic contextualization of national development. The proof is the budget allocation to the agricultural and industrial sector is relatively small, even though most of the workforce is in those sectors. 5. The mandate of the law is not all implemented properly. For example, the allocation of the health budget is required to be at least 5% of the APBN, but so far it has received a portion of less than 2%. 6. State revenues are calculated to be very low, both from taxes and non-tax state revenues or PNB, thus opening up opportunities for corruption of state revenues as has been repeated so far. Next, I will explain problems that accompany the process of drafting and ratifying the APBD. 1. Delayed drafting time. 2. The problem of a budget deficit or budget deficit. 3. Lack of spirit of efficiency. 4. Lack of spirit of efficiency. Next, reason for late preparation and ratification of the APBD. 1. The planning process is often just a formality. 2. The delay in preparing the RAPBD resulted in the regional head submitting in late to the DPRD. 3. The DPRD does not carry out its budget function properly. 4. There is a tug of war between local political interests. 5. Delay in evaluation by the governor. Next, I will explain the material about theories related to the process of ratifying or determining budget at regional government levels, or APBD. 1. Agency theory. This theory was introduced by Johnson and Maclean 1976. This theory refers to the relationship between two parties, namely the principal giver of tax or authority and the agent receiver of tax or authority, who are bound by a contract. In the context of regional government, the legislature or DPRD acts as the principal and the executive regional head and his staff as the agent. Agency theory highlights the problem of conflict of interest and information asymmetry between the executive and the legislature. The executive often has more information and proposes a budget to meet his own interests, while the legislature can also use authority for political or group gain. Next, the application of this theory in the ratification of the APBD can be seen in 1. The executive prepares and submits the budget or APBD as an agent. 2. The legislature discusses and approves the budget as a principle. Last, the process is influenced by the tug of war of political interests, both from the executive and the legislature. Agency theory is quite relevant to the process of drafting and ratifying the APBD because it highlights the problem of conflict of interest. So, this agency theory explains that conflicts and difference of interest between the executive and legislative are the main causes of delays in ratifying the APBD. Agency theory shows that the process of ratifying the APBD is not just an administrative technique, but is full of political dynamics, information imbalance, and the dominance of personal or group interest causes the ratification process to be delayed. Next, relationship with the determination or ratification of the APBD. Agency theory explains that in the process of the determining or ratifying the regional revenue and expenditure budget or APBD, there is a relationship between the executive as an agent and the legislature as a principal, where each party has different interests and information. This difference in interests can cause conflict and delays in ratifying the APBD, which ultimately impact the implementation of development programs and budget absorption in the region. 2. Public choice theory. Public choice theory explains that political decision making is influenced by the personal interests of political actors, such as politicians and parties. In determining the APBD, the more interest and political difference in the PRT, the greater the chance of conflict or tug of war, which can cause delays in budget approval. Next, relationship with the determinant or ratification of the APBD. Public choice theory explains that decision-making in a democratic system is influenced by individual and group interests, including political parties. In the APBD, one the more interests and ideological differences in the DPRD, the greater the possibility of deadlock or tug of war in discussing the APBD. 2. The majority voting mechanism is often not enough to resolve conflicts, especially in divided government conditions. 3. This can hinder agreement, delay ratification of the APBD, and impact public service and regional financing. That's all the explanation of material for me. I return to moderator. Thank you.
Thanks to Julia. Then it will be content by Fabrina related to the theory of supervision and case in the process of approval or appointment of the APBD. To Febrina, you are welcome.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I will explain the material. Material the theory at supervision theory. This theory explains that supervision consists of three main stages. The first, preventive, the second, detective, and the three, corrective. Supervision theory. In the ratification of the APBD, this theory is used to explain how the DPRD, as a legislative institution, supervises the implementation of the regional budget from the planning stage to the evaluation of realization, as well as how obstacles such as a member capacity, minimal transparency, and low public participation affect the quality of the supervision. The relationship between the theory supervision and the determination or ratification of the APBD explain the importance of the role of the DPRD not only in approving the draft regional regulation and the APBD, but also ensuring that the budget that is ratified is truly in accordance with the public interest, does not deviate from regulation, and can be executed efficiently. Without a good supervision mechanism, according to the theory, the APBD ratification process is at risk of being filled with political compromise, incomplete information, and decisions that are not based on actor analysis, which can hinder regional development goals. Case 1, about case of rejection of APBDP regional revenue and expenditure budget of Serang City in 2021. In 21, the Serang City government expressed rejection of the revised regional revenue and expenditure budget or RAPBDP by the Banten provincial government. This caused all development plans that had been designed for the end of the year to be unable to be implied. The main problem arose because the RAPBDP could not be evaluated by the provincial government due to the delay in submitting documents that exceeded the deadline set in the laws and religion. As a result, the budget process could not run as it should, which had a direct impact on the implementation of regional programs. How does this happen? The first look of coordination and timely planning between the city government and the DPRD. The second, adaptation to the new system or SIPD is low. The three, lack of time flexibility from the center, or unlike the previous year which was still tolerated due to the pandemic. The main cause. The first, late submission. The RAPBDP was only approved by the DPRD on October, exceeding the deadline of September as stipulated in the Minister of Home Affairs Circular and PP No. 12 of 2019. The second, technical constraints. The revised RKPD which is the basis for completing the APBDP, was only complete on September 90. The three system changes. The transition for the Simbral system to SIPD also complicated the administrative process. Next. Relation to APBD. The first APBD is an important annual financial plan for financing local government programs and projects. The second, without approval of APBDP, local governments cannot adjust the budget according to the less needs in the current years. The three, this failure caused the budget to not be used optimally and create SILPA, or budget financing surplus. The impact of rejection. The first, project plans and development activities at the end of the years cannot be implemented. The second, budget efficiency decreases. The three, potential for disruption to public service and strategic program. Solution and follow-up steps. As a short-term solution, the Serang city government can still shift the budget from the pure APBD through the mayor's regulation or Perwal on the explanation of the APBD, especially for urgent needs such as handling COVID-19, economic recovery, or other emergency situation. In the long term, there's need to be improvement in time management and increase in human resource capacity so that the preparation of budget documents can be faster and more precise. In addition, adaptation to new systems such as SIPD must also be accelerated and supported by adequate technical training. Next. Case 2. About delay in determining the regional revenue and expenditure budget or APBD in Jember Regency. The delay in determining the regional revenue and expenditure budget or APBD in Jember Regency shows that in the regional autonomy system, the APBD plays a role as an important policy instrument to support the implementation of regional government. However, in practice, the preparation of and ratification of the APBD are often delayed due to various obstacles, such as disagreements between the executive and legislative branches regarding the general budget policy and temporary budget ceiling priorities, or KUA PPAS. This delay has a major impact on the running of government, including delays in the implementation of development programs and activities, as well as imposition of administrative sanctions such as delays in general allocation funds or not payment of the financial rights of regional heads and DPRD. As a solution to delay, Law Number 223 of stipulates that if the regional head and DPRD fail to approve to APBD within days since the draft was submitted. The regional head can determine the APBD through a regional head regulation or perkada, but only limited to mandatory and binding spending in the amount of the previous year APBD. Although this mechanism is intended as a way out, it still reflects the weak management of regional finance and the less than optimal role the apparatus in planning and improving the budget in a timely manner. Okay, that's all the material I conveyed. I will return it to the moderator. Thanks to moderator.
Well, thanks to Febrina, I will continue myself for the next chess. Uh, chess 3, precedent of failure to ratify the 20 2021 revised regional budget, first time in East Kalimantan and loss of council authority. Case background, uh, the failure to ratify the 2021 revised regional budget in East Kalimantan is an event that creates a bad precedent in the history of regional budget management. For the first time, the East Kalimantan provincial government and the regional people, the representative council, were unable to approve the APBDP, which should have been ratified on October 12, 2021. This indicates a serious problem in the governance and communication between the executive and legislative branches. Why this could happen? One, lack of a coordination. There is a lack of coordination between the East Kalimantan provincial government and the DPRD in the preparation and ratification of the budget, which caused delay and confusion. Two, complicate regulation. The ratification process regulated by complex laws and regulation makes the decision-making slow. Uh, Three, COVID pandemic. The emergency situation due to pandemic also affect the budget management process with a greatest focus on handling health and economic impact. Reason for a file validation. Delay in submission of draft. The draft general policy for budget change and temporary budget calling priorities was only submitted in September, even though in should have been in the first week of August. Regulation from the Ministry of Home Affairs. A letter from the Ministry of Home Affairs stated that ratification must be carried out no later than 3 months before the end of the budget year, which was not complete with by the East Kalimantan provincial government. Regional head regulation. The extension of a perkada that regulates the as of the budget in emergence with an infolding DPRD result in the loss of the council authority in budget separation. Next, the consequence of this case, development delays, the failure to ready the APBDP result in the delay of various development projects that should have been implemented, which had The, concus- the consequence of this case, the development delays, the failure to retrieve the APBTP result in the delay of various development projects that shall have been implemented, which had an impact on the community. List of DPRD authority, the DPRD lost its competent role in budget oversight and management, which could harm transparency and accountability. But precedent, this incident created a bad precedent for governance in Kalimantan, which could affect public trust in government. Next, case, case 4, preparation of regional revenue and expenditure budget APBD in Sidoarjo Village, Lamongan Regency. The case of the preparation of the APBD in Sidoarjo Village, Lamongan Regency, re- reflects, reflects general problem in the budgeting process at the regional level, especially delays in budget determination due to weak coordination between the village and the local government. Other obstacles such as failed au- auction, incomplete land acquisition, and minimal community participation and apparent complexity also slowed down the implementation of the development programs. This process has an impact on delays in activity and failure to achieve development. The resolution of this problem requires an evaluation of the APBD preparation guidelines to be more adaptive, increasing the capacity of the apparatus, sanction for practice that cause delays, and active community involvement. This case shows that the ratification of the APPD is not only the responsibility of the legislative and executive at the district or city level, but also depends heavily on the willingness of government unit at the sub-district level so that the entire bureaucratic can must be implemented and run on time. Next. Case 5, delay in approval this group 2022 APBD absorption. Case background, the delay in ratification of 2022 regional revenue and expenditure budget has become a major issue that this group budget absorption in various regions. As of January 2022, more than more than draft APBD have not been ratified, potentially impairing public service. The Ministry of Home Affairs has remained local recommend to expedite this process, considering that the relation of APBD spending in the previous year showed suboptimal figures. The delay raises concerns about the negative impact on communication that depend on public service. Cause of delay. Lack of agreement. Local government often fail to reach agreement with the local people representative council evaluation process. Although the Ministry of Home Affairs provides timely evaluation, the process in the regions is often hampered by internal factors. Tight schedule. The state of APBD preparation Preparation have a sequential and tight schedule so that delay in one step will impact the next step. Next, impact of a delay, hamper budget absorption. Public services are not optimal, especially at the beginning of the year, which can be detrimental to the community. Low relation quality. Implementation of the APBD is delayed, which has the potential to reduce the quality of service provided. Loss of trust. This delay can reduce public trust in local government in managing the budget. Solution preferred. Imposition of sanction. The Ministry of Home Affairs is advised to impose state sanction on regions that are led in improving the APBD, such as the light salary payment for the executive and legislative branch. Early action. Encourage regional governments to conduct early auction for the for procurement of goods and services so that program and project can be implemented on time. Supervision and guidance. The Ministry of Home Affairs need to carry out regular supervision and guidance on budget realization to ensure smooth budget absorption and effective budget. So, from the result of the discussion that we present, we can conclude the ratification and stipulation of the APBD at the local government level is an important process that determines the smooth development and public service. But in practice, it is often faced with various challenges such as delay, political interest, and weak coordination between the executive and legislative branch. Based on agency theory, public choice theory, and supersession theory, conflict of interest, political domination, and ineffective supervision are the main factors inhibiting the preparation of EBD. Various case studies show that this delay can lead to disruption in the realization of regional programs, discussed budget absorption, and decreased public confidence in local governments. That's all the presentation of the result of our discussion because it is enough we end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Udah guys.